Yahweh, Yahweh, Yahweh.
Hello, brothers, sisters. I do with this boy cooking with Sindaco, and I'm back again. Yeah, so today, Mountain Universe preparing one of the local dish our forefathers used to eat. Yeah, our grandfathers. Yeah, the food that give them energy and multiply that age to 100 plus. Yeah, so it's typical local food like Ampesi without oils.
Yeah, so local stuff, healthy stuff.
So we'll be using garden eggs, teki berries, which is amudu or amajodi. Yeah. So before we start, kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn notification bell so be notified. Tell a friend, tell a brother, share, comment, like. I'm now on TikTok. Yeah, follow me and Facebook. Let's do this. Yes, we're about to prepare one of the organic food we have in Ghana, very local, yeah, and delicious as well. So this food can be done under 30 minutes because there's no need to overcook. Yeah, so we have our fresh ingredients, we have our garden eggs, we have our teki berries, amudro, and we have our pepper. So wash everything together, then put everything on top of fire. So we are going to serve this stew with yam, and we have our yam here. I got this yam from Yeji, very fresh yam, yeah. Just stay tuned for Yeji videos, interesting videos coming soon. Okay, so it's time to peel our yam, and after peeling, we chop our yam into reasonable sizes that we want, and we arrange them nicely inside the pot. We will now add the water from the vegetables that was boiled. We will use that water to boil the yam since it contains vitamins and nutrients. Yeah, we also add salt to the yam to give taste. So moving forward, it's time to grind our ingredients, and we have this Asanka Poyoyo, the local blender. Yeah, earthen well boom, and we have our teki berries and pepper being grinded first. Yeah, and we add our onions to it. So it's been like 10 minutes the yam has been on fire, and we are now adding our tomatoes to it because we didn't want the tomatoes to be very soft. So after 7 minutes again, we take off our tomatoes, and it's very soft already. We add them to our grinded ingredients or vegetables. So total of 20 minutes to 25, the yam is okay, then we put it aside, we pour off the water. So there's no way you can do abomo without salted fish. Yeah, that's one of the priority things that I need to add. So we have our salted fish, and we'll be using it inside our sauce or the stew, yeah, to give that fundamental basics of sweetness. Yeah, so we wash it nicely, then we add it to our sauce, yeah, we grind it together with the sauce and rokodo. We also have our kobe, it's also salted fish, tilapia, yeah, and also a toast in the yeah, that's it. Yeah, so since we are not going to add any oil to the sauce, we need to have a good taste of the stew, yeah, and you have to be very careful with the salt as well because this two fish has salt in it. Yeah, so you have to be careful with the salt, the quantity of salt that you add it later, have a good taste of it. Yeah, so guys, this is our local food from Ghana, yeah, and pursue that oil, and very interesting, nutritious food that you need to try, very delicious. Yeah, you're about to bust it, yeah. Yeah, so if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, follow us on Facebook as well, subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn notification bell so be notified when new video drops. Tell a friend, tell a brother, share, like, comment, follow me on TikTok. I'm now on TikTok. Yeah, let's do this.
Hello, brothers, sisters. I do with this way cooking with Sindaco. So we're done with our Ampesi, the jam and the garden egg stew. No oil, nothing. Kobe with some, like locally made. And this is the family gathering. For the party. So this is our food, and we're busted. Yeah, yam over here, and this is the yam. No oil, nothing. Just garden eggs, sticky berries, salted fish, and the kobe, onion, tomatoes, local stuff. Hello. So one healthy food that I can find in Africa, Ghana. Yeah, so if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook as well. Cooking with Sindaco. Let's meet again for Shizzle Manizzle. Yeah, I'm out.